Hello everyone, in this video we would like to show the overview of the latest features and improvements in Sound Insulation Reporter. The new version of the software includes Side View mode, that is a powerful workspace where you can display and edit all measured partitions at once. The Side View mode also displays rating, manual target and compliance, which are functions that we introduced in new Sound Insulation Reporter version that we're going to explain in a second. In the Side View mode, you can import your data that has been measured using Excel-free Sound Insulation mode, so it will be displayed as a list where you can edit specific information about your measurements. If you prefer the legacy workflow, you can still use the software the way you used to. Just click on the New Partition button to import your measurements and continue working as before. After you save your partition, it will become available in the Side View mode as well. New version of Sound Insulation Reporter offers many functions to save your time, like editing various parameters in multiple partitions at once. You can edit things like source room and receiving room name and volume, or area of the common partition. One of the new functions are rating target and compliance. These come with the pass and fail feature, so you can instantly see whether your results meet the necessary criteria. Also, by using the Side View, you can generate the report for all of your partitions. In the Side View, you can select specific partitions and export them into Excel file. We've also added support for NRA and LQCA regulations. In new version of Sound Insulation Reporter, you can also import B2 and T2 results from other measurements, as long as they belong to the same receiving room. This helps keep your data consistent and save time when working across multiple tests. Excluding the fact that we introduced the standards that are having predefined target, we also implemented an option to add your own manual target. You can define your target preset, so you can easily customize it and have it ready for you whenever you would like to apply it. You can either set the manual target for individual tests or select several tests in the Side View mode to select the target for all selected tests.